Microwave Bosch. Problem, it's not working. Here's the issue with the switch, and blown fuse, it's even fall apart. One of the switches doesn't have click, doesn't have continuity, the other two clicking, but sometimes doesn't have continuity as well. And we had to cut this grill to reach this fuse on the back, and to verify it with the client to avoid excess expenses for the labor, to not remove the microwave from the hooks. And here are the switches: number 1 on the top, number 2, and number 3. So let's test it. Additionally, this cover is gonna hide this cutted grill, so the static view doesn't affect it. Now let's test the microwave. How's it working? This segment display, it's a part of the control board, so client decided to not proceed with the repair. This part is quite expensive and it's not bothering him, so as long as the microwave is doing its function, he's okay with this display. Okay, let's put it in cycle, see how's it heating. Set 30 seconds. Turntable is working, it's rotating. Okay, approximately 15 seconds after, let's see. Yeah, water is definitely get hot, so microwave is back to business.